Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida. Next to me right now we have an all-new Boston Whaler, 350 realm, all-new model, a lot of anticipation around it. Great boat to drive, great boat to do everything in. Hop on board and let me show you around. Follow me. Back here we're powered by triple Mercury 350 Verados. These are supercharged engines. This boat will get up to around 54, 55 miles an hour, which is impressive considering the size and weight of this vessel. Moving on up here to the aft cockpit, as I talked about before, Boston Whaler has separated the realm into 3 social zones. First one back here, have a fold down seat, transforming second row right here, and of course, have your grill off to the side with your fridge beneath that. Dive door right here, swim door, whatever you want to call it, easy access in and out of the water. Follow me up here to social zone number 2, which is going to be the helm station slash entertaining area right here. See, this seat is going to transform, so you have the double row seating for those long voyages. Of course, over here, I spent quite a bit of time on this boat before I knew that it did this, which I think is pretty cool. You have a table that comes up right here, then you create yourself a dining area. Up here at the helm, Whaler did a great job. 2 Raymarine units have a Naviop system that's going to tell you everything you need to know about the boat. Everything's going to be digital, but of course you do have your switches here to be redundant. Mercury joystick piloting right there takes all the fear out of docking. And of course, your little area right there for the passenger to enjoy some cold ones while you're heading to the Bahamas. Down below we have another great area. Even for a center console like boat, you do have an area where you can sleep in the V berth, an oversized head, which of course Boston Whaler is known for. Air conditioner is going to run off the generator, so you're going to stay cool. Before we go all the way up to the bow here, you can see, you're going to notice how high everything is. Everything's nice and safe. So if you got little kids or whatever, or some people that are a little bit, they got to hold on to some stuff to feel safe, you're not going to get thrown out of the boat right here. You're going to feel really secure, which you're going to in a Boston Whaler anyways. Up here on the bow, social zone number 3, got a nice sun pad right here, table with a pad on top of it, becomes flush on an actuating ram, goes up and down. Really enjoy yourselves up here, and of course at the very front you have a anchor windlass system. Once again, I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. This is a Boston Whaler 350 realm. Give us a call. Let's schedule a virtual showing and get you out on the water. Bye, guys.